We're moving! Hopefully you guys like tea, because we're about to spill it. I think that's what the cool kids say.
That's what the youngins say. We are moving. We've spent the last 4 or 5 years
At this house.
renovating this house. And although we love it, there are multiple reasons we are moving. We shared with our Instagram audience that we were moving, and they had the same 4 or 5 questions over and over again. So they're probably the same questions you have, and we figured maybe we would just make a video, answer all of the questions for everybody.
Well, I think we have a lot of packing to do, so you guys get to follow along and we will answer some questions.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, I'll meet you in there. Oh.
You're packing too.
Uh-oh.
So let's get rid of all the shoes that we're not gonna wear in the next couple of months. You wish. Let's put them away in storage. The number one question we got is why? Why are we moving?
Why are we moving, Lindy?
I don't like winter. I find the winters here sometimes to be incredibly difficult. Just my own mental health. They can be very long, 7 months, and very cold, -40.
Degrees Celsius, not degrees Fahrenheit.
So it gets really cold, and I think especially during the pandemic, I was like, I don't know how long I can be stuck in a house in a cold, cold, cold winter.
Yeah, and once we both no longer work for someone, it allowed that to be an opportunity or possibility. Okay, we're starting to get full up.
That's good.
Yeah, that's a cool room.
Cool art piece.
Is this?
I don't care. No,
okay.
Throw that away. So somebody asked if this has been a long time coming, or if we just stumbled upon the idea and made it happen.
I think for the longest time this was going to be our forever home. But then I think when it really came to light about moving was when I quit my job, and we're like, we're not technically tied to a location, so then why be here?
I think we've had this idea maybe for a year.
Yeah.
And then at some point, maybe a few months ago, we were like, let's just do it this summer. So there's just been a push. You may have noticed a couple weeks without videos. That's because behind the scenes, we were doing stuff like this.
To wrap things up. So not planned. There's a plan now. But this was, within the last year and a half, that we kind of decided to move towards this goal, and now it's happening.
Yeah,
so.
And now it's here, and it's terrifying.
Yeah.
I don't care about that. You can go to Goodwill, these.
Sure.
Oh, that's good. Keep that.
What have the kids been up to in here?
Made a bit of a mess.
We got, Wade's bench is now apparently a shoe rack. And Wade has a dress holder on his workplace. What's the next question?
Are we donating this, or?
Yeah, that's my old chair though.
They love it. They
still.
still use it. Yeah. Maybe we'll keep it.
It came from where we're going to, so it makes it go back. Almost let it out of the bag there.
So the next question is for Russell. It's, what does his family, specifically his mom, think about us selling the house?
Right. For those who don't know, my parents actually built this house. I helped a little bit when I was younger, but it was mainly my parents, my brother built this house, and then we bought it from my mom after they were downsizing. So, I mean, I think they think it's cool what we've done with it and how we've turned it into our style, but I think they're excited to see what we can do with another home as well. So, a little bit sad that we're not keeping it in the family, but I mean, they're excited because maybe we're getting closer to them, maybe we're not. So.
Maybe they'll have grandchildren closer and they're excited about that.
That's right.
Oh, babe. All right, let's move this stuff. Your other question. What's the next question?
Why is Russell so handsome?
No, the next question was, are you buying a fixer-upper?
Oh, right. Yes.
Yes.
That's the only way we can afford to move where we want to move. And I mean, that's kind of our job.
We're moving to a more expensive market, so we're going to be downsizing significantly.
It's already been underway. We've been selling things and purging.
Yeah, moving to a house with far less square footage.
Not a shop.
And definitely renovating it because we can only afford older homes.
We want old and clean and good bones, but outdated so that we can put our own style to it.
Yes.
Okay, well,
go in.
It looks like you got this under control. So.
You love being helpful though.
Well, not with clothes. Great spot for those ones. Don't know how you got all the light things.
I helped move plenty of heavy things.
Well, a bunch of the house is purged.
We actually have moved quite a lot of stuff already. I'm proud of us.
Belle, what do you think?
Major decluttering, hey? So the last question and the most frequently asked question is, where are we moving to?
Wouldn't they like to know?
I think they would.
We are planning to go out west and move to Vancouver Island.
In British Columbia.
Yeah, moving provinces. Fun fact, I was actually born on Vancouver Island and I moved to Grand Prairie, I don't even know, when I was like 10 or 12 with my parents. I mean, actually some of this stuff is probably from the island and is going to go back, but...
there is a chair or two that's going to make a full round trip.
Yeah, and tools.
Sorry. Killed a mosquito.
One mosquito was hurt in the filming of this YouTube video. Ultimately, it's going to be a lifestyle change. We're looking, our kids love the water, so we'll be by really nice lakes, be by the ocean. I still have extended family there. My mom lives on the mainland near Vancouver, so only a ferry ride away. So I think that's probably the biggest pull is the lifestyle change.
So I'm ready for a shift. I'm ready to be outdoors more throughout the year, and I think we're all excited about being closer to the water and water sports and stuff like that. So. Yeah. Big life change for us. But we do have one more reno in this house that we have been working on at the same time. And we are going to be revealing the last bathroom next week. You guys are not going to want to miss it because it's going to be literally amazing.
Literally. Factually.
And we just wanted to say thank you to everyone, our audiences across platforms, for supporting us and allowing us to have a job where we can make a transition like this. We love this channel, we love what we do, and we're really grateful to get to share it with all of you. So thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment below to let us know what you think, or ask any other questions if we didn't answer all of your questions. Hopefully you enjoy continuing to watch our next adventure.
Thanks so much for watching.